What is going on, guys? Today we're at Kings Park. We're gonna be checking this hospital out. Cool thing about this place, just really big, and it was established in 1885 and abandoned in 1996. So it's got some history to it. Right now, all it is just trying to find a way in, and we don't got too many choices, but we'll try. All right, guys, we made it in. Super windy. I don't even know if you can hear that, but I'm trying to fly my drone. I don't even know if it's a good idea yet. Maybe I should wait till later, but it's really stunning, this building. And there's a whole complex. Like when we were coming in, you see like all these buildings everywhere. Kind of like a spinning image of down below. Right now we're on the second floor. So far, you really can't see anything left behind. It's like all taken out. Yeah. This looks like a cafeteria, in a way. Yeah. Slide your tray, get served food. Let's go on to the third floor. So far, everything's a spinning image of the floor below. Alright, so far, everything is like exactly the same on each floor. So we gotta look at like points of interest. We gotta go to like the roof, the basement, the front door. See anything like that might actually be unique. So right now, we're just gonna shoot for the top. Stairs here are actually made of slate, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna take a peek inside one of these floors, see if anything changed. Well, that's different. Seems to be such a common trend. The higher up you go, the more destroyed the rooms are. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's super windy out. It's like actually like, it kind of blows my mind. You just hear it throughout the whole building. The views are definitely getting better as we're going up. Like you can see, what is that, the Long Island Sound? The water right there? So we just went up a couple floors. You know what I realized? I think every window here is broken. Every window. Why is every window smashed up? I don't get it. And it's like the solid kind of glass that has like wire in it. It's got metal in it. Like, shouldn't that even break like so easily? This whole building is just like a wind vortex, like a wind tunnel. It's just, I hope it's not affecting the audio for this video. So we went up the stairs and we reached a dead end. So I believe we're on like the 11th floor. But there's like 2 more levels above this. Just gotta find a way up. There's gotta be like some ladder somewhere. You found it? Let's go. Oh, this side goes up more. Just took the wrong staircase. Yo. This is really interesting. Yo, that wheel is just spinning freely. There's probably some blades in there and just so much wind around here. That just spinning by itself. By far one of the coolest attics I've been to. There's just so much room up here. But it is very, very strange. Like you see the platforms we're walking on. Thin platforms. The rest can't. And there's like parts like this, just all concrete. Stand on it, no problem. The installation's all gone, just about. That's strong. Wind is strong. There's ventilation running everywhere around here. But I gotta say, this building has good bones. The structure is actually really good. There's a whole level on top over there. It's so windy. It's unreal how windy it is. I feel like we picked like the windiest day to come here. And this thing is really tall. Oh, that's for the elevators.
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
The balls, the gravity balls. If it spins too fast, they lock up for free fall.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but like, you know, like something happens with it. Like if the counterweight, like that snaps off or something's wrong with it. Wow, there's so much stuff here, like, to run the elevators. All these like relays. Circuit breakers, I don't know, that's like so old. Wow, what the heck kind of obstacle is this? One piece of wood across? It's funny, like, being up this high, like, that doesn't even seem that high anymore. Look at that, it's like a little bridge just to go outside.
That's huge.
Oh, that's where the ladder goes up. Kellen just ended up going up there. He's telling me it's worth it, that I should check it out. So I'll see you on top.
Nice,
The
dude.
highest point. Actually go down into the water tank. Alright, I have seen enough. I am going down. Pretty much reached the rooftop. I think another main attraction would be either the basement or the front entrance. Definitely check that out. All right, so we're back on the first floor. I believe we can't go any lower. This is actually the full basement. I thought it went down more, but the one in Seaview, Staten Island, that one goes down a lot more. Got like a couple basements to it. There's still some things left behind, like some of this furniture all made out of wood. It's quite nice, like these chairs. I think this is the area that keeps going back.
I think it is.
Check it out. Oh yeah, it's good. What a mess. Interesting. Stovetop back there. This could be the actual like kitchen for everything
Yeah,
here.
I think it is.
So when they made all the food here in the kitchen, all the floors that we were in, there was a cafeteria in each one of them. So all that food, I guess, was sent up and down. All right, this should be. Yeah, look how nice it looks here. All the wood finishing. That's the front door. That small door.
Good.
That's it. Well,
Walked off in front.
this is the grand entrance. Like I don't get that. It's a grand entrance, but like small tiny door. And that's just about it. Pretty much explored just about everything in here. I think we got the main points. Like the attic. The attic was really cool. Basement was. It got like a lot of things. Like whatever's left over, you could say. But not really any gems. I would say this front area looks pretty cool, but it's just all still just crumbling around. We're gonna make our way out of here. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the spot. Smash the like button. Helps me out a lot. Make sure to subscribe. Go on adventures all the time. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy.